Good morning, students. See, in our previous class we have studied some remaining questions of 2B and I have explained you examples also. Today we will start our exercise questions. Okay? See, exercise 2C, question number 1. See here, your question is a 440 meter long rod is being repaired. At the end of the 3 days, the workers had repaired 3/4 of the rod. What length of the rod is left unrepaired? See, what is the length of the rod? That is 440 meter. Total, so solution, total length of the rod is equal to 440 meters. Three by four of the total length means see 440 meters is the total length of the road. How much workers had repaired 3/4 of the length? Now see, if they have repaired 3/4, then how much part is remaining? That is 1/4 is the remaining part, is the remaining. So remaining part of the total rod. Now what you have to calculate? 440 multiply by 1/4. 440 of 1/4, that is 440 into 1/4, that is 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 0. 110 meter is the remaining part. Understood? Now see question number 2, solution. In a class of 48 students, 1/4 of them regularly watch a particular TV program. How many of the students do not regularly watch the program? So it's very easy. How many total students are 48. 1/4 of 48 students watch the TV program regularly. Now see how many students are remaining. That is 3/4. 3/4 of the total students do not watch the TV program. See, total students total number of students equal to 48. Number of students watch program regularly is equal to 1/4. How much are remaining? How many of students do not watch regularly the program? Number of students do not watch the program is equal to 48 of 3/4. So 48 into 3 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 36 students. Number of students do not watch is equal to 36 students. Now see question number 3. Rohan has a collection of stamps. His collection is 3 by 4 times of the 3 times that of Pranav's collection of stamps, which is 320 stamps. How many stamps does Rohan have? See here, question number 3, solution. See, first of all you have to write here Pranav's collection. Wait. Number of Pranav's collection is equal to 320 stamps. Now see, his collection is 3 by 4 times of the Pranav's collection. Whose collection? Rohan's collection. Rohan's collection is equal to 3 by 4 of Pranav's collection. See here, 3 by 4 into Pranav's collection is 320. 15 by 4 into 320, that is 15 multiplied by 80. 15 into 80. That is 1200 stamps. Whose collection is this? Rohan's. Total number of Rohan's collection is equal to 200. Now see question number 4. 1 by 3 of the 6 dozen fruits in a fruit seller's cart are apples. If 1 by 4 of all the fruits are oranges and the rest of the fruits are bananas, how many dozens bananas are there in the fruit seller's cart? See, first of all you must know that in 1 dozen is equal to how many fruits are there in 1 dozen? 12. In 6 dozen, 12 into 6, that is 72 total fruits are there. This total fruits are 72. Now see what they are asking. 1 by 3 of the 6 dozen means 1 by 3 of 6 dozen means 72 are apples. So number of apples are there. How many apples are there? 1 by 3 into 72 means 3 2s are 6. 24 apples are there. Now see, 1 by 4 of all the fruits are oranges and orange. Now see number of oranges. Oranges is equal to 1 by 4 of 72. This is 1 by 4 into 72. 18 oranges are there. Now see, how many dozen bananas are there in the fruit seller's cart? See, 18 oranges are there. Number of apples, 24. Number of oranges, 18. Now add this. How many are there? 24 plus 18, 42. Now see, how many dozens? 6 dozens are there. Then in 6 dozens we have find it 72 fruits. Total fruits are 72. Now divide 42 by 72. 30 fruits are remaining. So these 30 fruits are bananas. Remaining fruits are bananas. See how many dozens it becomes in 2 dozen. That is 24. It is 30 means plus 6, then half dozen, add half dozen here. So 2.5 dozen of bananas are there in the cart. See, today we have completed our 4 questions, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, that we will solve it tomorrow. And if you understand any of the questions, if you can do from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11 also, then you can do by yourself in rough copy. Okay, otherwise tomorrow we will solve all the questions, and your homework is you have to solve example number 15 and 16 by yourself. Okay, thank you.